Right there, you heard from the Prime Minister taking a big jibe at the opposition on a range of issues. Well, he's spoken about the significance of the budget session of Parliament. He's spoken about the fact that India is on a path to development. He's also used this as an opportunity to go after the opposition indirectly, take a jibe at them. I'm going to go straight across to Piyush for more details. The Prime Minister essentially setting the agenda, what he said today as far as the significance of the budget session and the work to be done in Parliament is concerned, isn't it, Piyush? Also, leaving no stone unturned to take a jibe there at the opposition.
Well, yes, Sneha, Prime Minister has taken a jibe at opposition while he was concluding his addressal, where Prime Minister has said that for the first time, no foreign element or any international thing has come up to disturb the Parliament session. We have seen this trend in the last 10 years. This is what the Prime Minister has been saying. And this statement has also come in the wake of various reports those have surfaced in the last multiple sessions, be it about Hindenburg report or about the Pegasus thing or about the George Soros thing, the links between Adani and various other things. Those have surfaced in the last multiple session. At the time, we have seen BJP coming out and saying that why such reports emerge only just before the Parliament session. But Prime Minister today, while lashing out at opposition, saying that for the first time, no thing has come from international media or from any international source, and this needs to be
okay. Let me bring in Manikam Tagore also of the Congress party there. Manikam Tagore, thank you for your time. Often there is a false narrative before election or before the Parliament session. The Prime Minister just spoke about it, and there is no dearth of people in the country who would fan all these allegations that are made by international agencies. Referring to the opposition indirectly is taken a jibe. What do you have to say about this so-called foreign interference that the Prime Minister has referred to?
This is so unfortunate that Prime Minister of India, who should have, on the President's address, should have been more positive towards the country, and he should not have insulted the country's parliament itself. It's an insult to the parliament of India itself. India's parliament needs voices of the opposition parties, and we all raise people's issue. We doesn't raise some other issue. We doesn't work for Adani or Ambani. We work for the people of India, and we continuously raise people's issues. And it is very unfortunate that we were expecting the President of India's speech, and we were expecting a roadmap to the government policies in the President's speech. And Prime Minister has set a completely different tune, where he has gone and made false allegations on the opposition parties. Opposition parties always raise people's issue, always raise India's properties India's wealth being handed over to his friends, and we will continue to raise that thing. We are not afraid about any other thing. We will continue to raise people's issue, and we will continue to raise the gifts which he gives to Adani and Ambani.
All right. The Prime Minister has also, in fact, spoken about the fact that there is fair amount of work that's to be done. I just want to ask you, independently of what the Prime Minister has said, what does the opposition wish to raise in this session of Parliament this time around, given that there have been concerns about the manner in which the Kumbh was organized? Of course, I'm referring to the stampedes here. What is the opposition going to collectively raise?
We wanted to raise the Kumbh issue. We wanted to raise the issues regarding the unemployment, regarding the middle class pain, the climate change issues in like Yamuna and Ganga being polluted so much in Delhi and other parts of India. We wanted to raise the people's issue, but the Prime Minister has set in a different agenda now. Prime Minister has forced the opposition to be more offensive. He has alleged against the political structure itself in India. He has attacked the parliamentarians. Therefore, it is the Prime Minister who has derailed the agenda, and the agenda he has set in to have a confrontation with the opposition. This is so unfortunate that Prime Minister himself, Mr. Modi, don't want the parliament to run. He don't want the parliament to function. He doesn't come to the parliament. He wants his members, BJP members, to disturb the parliament and make new dramas. All this is very unfortunate, and we feel very sad that Prime Minister Modi is leading this from the front foot.
All right. The Prime Minister spoke about the fact there are some people trying to, in fact, spread mischief is what he said. He used the word shararat essentially. He's saying there is no Videshi Chingari is what he says. The Congress says this is rather unfortunate and this is not the tone in which he should have started his address to the people of the country is what he said. I'm going to thank you, Manikam Tagore, for joining in with your views on that. Listen in to the Prime Minister once again.
साथियों, आज एक बात आपने जरूर नोट की होगी, मीडिया के लोगों ने तो जरूर करनी चाहिए। शायद 2014 से लेकर अब तक शायद ये पहला पार्लियामेंट का सत्र है कि जिसके एक दो दिन पहले कोई विदेशी चिंगारी नहीं प्रगटी है। विदेश में से आग लगाने की कोशिश रही हुई है। 10 साल से 14 से देख रहा हूं, हर सत्र के पहले शरारत करने के लिए लोग तैयार बैठते थे और यहां उसको हवा देने वालों की कोई कमी नहीं है। ये पहला सत्र मैं पिछले 10 साल के बाद देख रहा हूं कि जिसमें किसी भी विदेशी कोने से कोई चिंगारी नहीं हुई।
Going straight across to Aishwarya for more details. Aishwarya, the opposition already reacting, saying that talking about shararat or some, Videshi Chingari was unwarranted. The Prime Minister, however, mincing no words when he spoke about, foreign interference, so to speak. The opposition obviously hasn't taken kindly to that.
Well, Sneha, and there's a reason for that, because we have seen, at least over the past 3 times, that just before the parliament begins, we see that something or the other, some report or the other comes out with regards to that. The Prime Minister now taunting also in a way to the opposition and saying that you really don't want to speak about anything that's happening in your country. You don't want to speak about what the issues that the people are facing. You only make sure that something that happens abroad, you pick it up and then you bring it to the floor of the parliament. With regards to that, and an appeal also, Sneha, being made by the Prime Minister, he's saying that you need to make sure that the budget, you take part in it, and you also speak about the fact that what is important for the people is something that the government is looking at. He's also appealing to the opposition that they also need to all come together and make sure that India as a country steps forward. So that's an appeal that is being made by the PM.